What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today we going to go pick up the transmission for the Cutlass, man. I'm hyped. Showtime transmission done delivered again, man. I don't know. Every time, man, less than a week turnaround, like it's crazy. Week tops, man. Y'all know the 700 been there. I just ain't been. I mean, DJ know what's going on, so I don't need the 700 right now. Probably gonna need it soon, so we'll probably be getting that one this month too. But I'm holler at him when we get down there, cause I'm gonna go ahead and buy an engine, a crate engine for meats. I think I'm gonna roll with a Vortex engine this time. Last time we did the 350, old style 350, which is in wifey car. So this time, I think I'm gonna buy a Vortex engine. So we'll do a little Vortex swap. All that, show people the right intake, cause a lot of people identify Vortex heads wrong and all that. So I will be probably buying a Vortex crate engine to put in meats. I'm already tracking down stuff. I think I found the serpentine system at LKQ, so we'll be doing a junkyard run LKQ, going to pull that. And hey, for wifey car, the Monte Carlo, I was gonna work on it today and get that alternator plugged up. Cause man, it's a great day, man. It feel good outside and all that. But the plug, I had to order it, actually. No part store. It wasn't, and I kind of figured it's gonna be like that. No part store really carry it like that, at least when I looked. So I just ordered it. I ordered it offline. It should be here next week. Y'all know stuff delayed, holidays coming up, so I went ahead and put that order in. So we'll have the alternator plug for her car next week, which is all I have to do now at this point. I already straightened the radiator hose up. Clamp down off camera, so we just waiting on that, and then we can take it to the muffler shop and boom boom, we be done. It's a wrap out of here, all that good stuff. So yeah, man, that's what it is. No talking. Let's get the Showtime transmission rebuilds, man, and go get this transmission for the Cutlass. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all see it checking in. Y'all already know where I'm at. Y'all know where I'm at. Go ahead and get that contact info. Hit them up. I'm telling you, man, a lot of y'all been shopping with them. Showtime. It ain't Showtime for no reason, man. Hit them up. Make sure y'all see the number good. 706-817-5457. Go to office hours. Business hours right there. 9 to 5. Like I said, expansion, man. Expansion. So hey, y'all come through. Like I tell y'all the same thing every video, and I just keep telling you, cause when something good, what you do, you keep talking about it. When something good, you keep talking about it. You can't stop talking about it. You see a good movie, you go share it with people. You see a good transmission shop that make you go fast, make you go slow, whatever you want to do, make your cruise better, you talk about it. So we at Showtime, about to grab the transmission for the Cutlass. The plan is to get the Cutlass back next week, like I told y'all in the other video. If you skip videos and you missed, then yeah, you're gonna be out the loop. You don't know what's going on. But Frank he trying to get some out. It's some people trying to get out before a race. I'm not trying to make no certain race. I just need mine before Christmas, so I can kick this content out for y'all. Cause y'all know I ain't even got to enjoy the car. I just got it. I ain't got to enjoy it. I had to get that ring done, but it led to something else. So. And then we need a better transmission. I got to have Showtime transmission in all of my old schools. Every car, it's a must. I cannot have nobody else transmission. Got to be a Showtime transmission. Even when we do big meets, now that's when y'all gonna see some some real deal stuff cause so the power big meat's gonna make. But yeah, we here. Y'all see always going in, man, staying busy, got them on shelf ready and all that. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and we're gonna get this thing. I'll catch y'all in a minute. What you said, Dolo? Hold on, what you said? Do what now? Hold on, do what? Hold on, Dolo. Wait a minute. You can't take the camera. You can't take the camera from me now. Wait, I hear you. Hold on, wait, they don't hear you. Wait, hold on, man. Wait a minute. Hold up. Say, Michael Myers' days numbered. Oh yeah. You had to take the camera out my hand so they hear you. Michael Myers' days numbered. Oh yeah. Say, your sister gonna get him too. Your little sister, your new little sister gonna get him too. Okay, I hear you. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah. Hey, we ready. I'm vlogging with the helmet on. The rest of the vlog. Michael Myers, Cuzo, little crazy whips of dicks. Your day is normal, homeboy. I got the helmet on, let it know I'm serious. Y'all see that face? Oh, hey, boy, hey. Game time, baby. Hey, got the helmet on. Then look, when I get finished with Michael Myers, all of them start hollering, blow holler. Train smoke everywhere. Hey. Y'all heard Dolo, he snatched the camera out of my hand. And let me know he mean business. And he said his little sister gonna get him too. He said his little sister gonna get him first. Then he said he gonna get him. Then he said his big brother gonna get him. The old brother. Everybody. Hey, Michael Myers' days is numbered. I promise you. Michael Myers' days is numbered. Every time I refer to Michael Myers, y'all see me on the camera, I'm gonna have this helmet on. Every single time. Train, smoke, everywhere. But yeah, man, I had to send that message to little crazy Wilson Dixon, my cousin. I hate to do it to him. I love him to death, but I got to take him out the game. I got to. The sister, who I call Beautiful, the little brother, then when the big brother get back, John Jones, it's going down. So now I just got back from Showtime. So we finna cut to the next. Right. So as I just said, I got back from Showtime. Y'all know we got that pretty piece back here. Finna make the Cutlass act up a little more. Yes indeed, I gotta cut these ears off here. Y'all know we gotta cut these ears off. Another pretty piece. Y'all can't never get enough good information, so I'm gonna show you the number again. I need one of these I got one for Dolo. No, John Jones. I need one of these for Dolo. I'm gonna have to get with DJ. I need one of these. Got to have one for Dolo. So now I officially got Showtime transmission and everything. We got Big Meats. It's still over there at his shop. We got Dolo got the 400. Big Meat got the 700. The Cutlass got the 350. And finna get one done for wifey car. Matter of fact, what I might do, the 350 that come out the Cutlass, I might take it to DJ, let him run through it. It's a good transmission, actually. Wifey transmission is a good transmission, but I might take it, let DJ run through it, so the cars don't have to stay moving. I mean, they don't have to sit down. Like her car got a good transmission, so the one that's in the Cutlass, probably take it out, let DJ go through it, then get this one right here. I don't know, might save it or sell it. I don't know. I might save it and put it behind this right here, this 6.0, cause this thing here gonna get pulled soon, man. It done served good. It's a lot of miles on the truck, but it's finna go to car heavy. So that 6.0 gonna be coming out. I'll be using it for something. I don't know. I told y'all the turbo for sale. Turbo is gone already. That fast. That's why I put the note at the bottom. So it's a wrap for that. What else? This really just an update video. I ain't doing nothing. I can't turn no wrenches because I told y'all the part is on the way. The alternator plug, then they're just splicing together 2 wires, plugging it up, done. Soon as it come, it'll be literally going to the muffler shop. Going to get the exhaust put on it. Wifey car be done as far as driving wise. Then I'm gonna get to AutoZone, go order me a Vortex engine for big meats. People saying don't buy a crate engine. Hey man, it's smart business. I'm in a different position than some other people, so it's smart business. Rather me letting that car sit down, and rather me spending $5,000 to $7,000 on a mild setup just to take it out. I ain't gonna do that. I'd rather spend $2,000 to $2,500 and have Vortex and just ride around or whatever. Car won't be driven anyway, not in the wintertime. That car ain't been driven. Ain't no heater box in it. There's no heat. But it'll be rough driving that car in the wintertime. I don't know how I did it, but I have done it. I did it with the big block. I used to daily drive that car. So, I mean, that's it. I'm keeping y'all in the loop on the next step. Oh, John Jones going to the track tomorrow. So, I don't know. I'm real curious to see how that goes. It's supposed to be going on the dyno today. I'm not going to be filming it. But Monday, I might catch some for y'all. I'm going to go back down there and I'm going to pick my car up too. And I'm going to drive it all the way back home. So, Monday, we'll have John Jones back. I got some epic ride reaction set up with that car. And that car going to make more power. So, I got some epic videos set up with that car alone. When the Cutlass come back, y'all know we all going to be seeing Cutlass for a lot. Y'all going to be seeing the Cutlass for a long time, man. We got to get right, man. I spent a chunk on it. Time to get right, make it do what it do, give y'all the entertainment, the content, all of that good stuff. So y'all know the Cutlass gonna be, y'all gonna be seeing it left and right on both channels. So I'm gonna hit up Frank, man. When I get Frank on the phone, I give y'all an official report on a day we probably know when we really gonna get it back and see it. I'm real anxious to get that car back because I ain't even enjoyed the car. I ain't got a chance to drive the car. I ain't enjoyed it. I ain't took it nowhere. Ain't nobody saw it. Ain't none of my people saw it. The only person saw it in person is my Cuzo, cause he rode with me to pick it up. But ain't nobody even saw that car, man, in person. I ain't taking no tracks, no nothing. Racing. Oh yeah, let me talk to y'all. I'm gonna run the car at the track. Everything I get will see the track. That's what my channel about. My channel is about doing stuff yourself, and you know, just having a good time, man, enjoying your rides. But I'm into the track. Everything I get will see the track. That's why, you know, that's why I like to have every caliber, every level of car, basically. That's why I put big meats on the track, just to let y'all see, all right, this is what you can do with an AutoZone crate motor or just a regular 350 with bolt ons like intake, carburetor headers, 410s in the rear end, and a 700 transmission. We're gonna put on the track with a Vortex. Same setup, a built 700 this time though, so it's gonna shift better. But with a Vortex engine, nothing done to it. Same modifications, intake, carburetor, headers, and I'll let y'all see. We're gonna see the time difference since I still got the time slips. I'm gonna put the Cutlass on the track. The Cutlass won't see the track a whole lot cause it's a nice car, but it will see the track. It's not gonna be a car I just drive around. It's gonna see the track. I'm gonna take people for rides in it. Just have a good time with it and all that, man. And you know, pull up at car shows and all that. Y'all gonna see me pull up at classic car shows on the rallies. Then I'm pull up at big rim car show on the 22. So it's gonna be flip flop. Reaction video, man. I got a slew of video coming. Some heat. I got some heat coming. I got my Christmas special coming. Y'all know I always do something for Christmas. We got that video coming. We got some heat coming this month. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm finna get this thing unloaded. Get this thing unloaded, man. Put it in the garage. Won't be sitting there long. Finna go ahead and hit this workout. Then we're gonna take these kids to see these Christmas lights tonight, and all of that. So yeah, that's the plan. So I don't know. Either y'all come back here tomorrow or I'll be on both channels. I don't know. You just gotta stay tuned, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss nothing and all that. And everybody make sure to go subscribe to my wife's channel, Days with Kendra. Go subscribe, man. I'm trying to get her to 1,000 subscribers. She 100 and some change away. So go subscribe and all that. Run her up. Look at the video. Appreciate everybody supporting her and all that. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.